Second flight, wind's calmed a little bit. Of course, a gust. Thank you.
Feels like the weather's improved a little bit, huh?
A little bit.
Too bad it's at the end of the day, but...
Oh, that's a loop. That's a tight loop. It's got some poop and it loops.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I had to do this one inverted pass. Okay. Landing on the grass. It found the ground anyway. Yeah, that's what I did. I went that way. I know. I just took off this way, even though the wind was to my back, but it went up good.
Actually, you know what? I wasn't here when I got this. I was at the garage. I went to my light.
Yeah, it's fine.